What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I wanted to talk to you about something that's absolutely changing the way we look at crypto platforms. Crypto.com's new Level Up subscription program. Now, this video is sponsored by Crypto.com, and I'm going to show you why it's more than just another crypto app. So let's take your wealth to the next level. Now, that's not just marketing talk. That's actually what Level Up delivers. And I've recently been testing this out, and honestly, it looks like they're building a financial ecosystem rather than just another trading platform. Now, here's what caught my attention. First, they're offering a 30-day trial for anybody that wants to just test it out, see the premium benefits before you decide to commit to it. Now, the free trial is only available to Plus and Pro Level Up tiers. And there are some serious perks with Level Up. First, you have up to 5 to 6% in uninvested cash. So if you have money just sitting there, it's not going to end up getting hurt by inflation. Next, you can receive up to 5 to 6% in rewards on their cards. This meaning that if you have groceries, or you have gas or coffee or something that you want to spend money on, you can get rewards back just for spending. Please note that this 5 to 6% depends on your tier and applies to the private tier only. Third, they have rebates on things like Netflix and Spotify. So if you currently pay for those subscriptions, you're getting that back. And fourth, you completely waive trading fees for active traders, so it adds up pretty fast. And for US users, there's up to 3% bonus on ETF transfers and stock transfers. So if you decide to move your traditional investments over, then you have that 3%. Now, if you're actually wondering how to get started, let me show you how you can simply buy CRO, their native token that unlocks even more benefits in the ecosystem. If you use my link in the description, that will get you started with downloading the Crypto.com app. Next, you set up your account and you complete all the verification steps. Third, you can fund your account through your bank, Apple Pay, Google Pay, debit card, or even send another crypto to Crypto.com. And fourth, once funded, tap the buy, find CRO, and then you could choose your payment method on how you want to obtain CRO. The whole process honestly feels as smooth as online shopping. Now, what I love about Level Up is it gives you premium benefits even if you're just crypto curious versus being heavy into DeFi. You get high yield savings, you get cash back, you get free subscriptions. And then there's CRO, which opens the door to a broader ecosystem, which you're looking at staking opportunities, NFTs, and more advanced crypto utilities. If you're just getting started, here's my advice. I would recommend that you set price alerts on all the investments that you make. Start small with small amounts of money, and then also diverse across many different cryptocurrencies that you can on the platform. Crypto.com also prioritizes security with multi-factor authentication, cold storage of funds, and strong compliance standards, meaning that you can focus on building wealth without worrying about security. The Level Up program basically turns Crypto.com into an all-in-one financial hub. Take your wealth to the next level and start with the 30-day free trial. Test out all premium features and see if it fits your financial goals. Use my referral link in the description. It does support the channel, and you'll be using the official Crypto.com app. New users can also earn up to $50 in CRO rewards through their current promotion. The combination of traditional finance benefits and crypto opportunities makes Level Up stand out from everything else I've tried. So hit that link below to start your free trial today and see what taking wealth to the next level actually looks like. Go visit crypto.com/US/levelup for more information. Big thanks to Crypto.com for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.